This month at Grays Online in our classic car auction, we've got another XA GT Falcon hardtop coming up. This one's a factory 351 4-speed. Originally when the car was new, it was wild plum in colour. In fact, we'll show you later on the floors, we've got the carpet out of it. The floors are still nice and dry and you can still see the wild plum colour. Back in the 70s, the people that owned it painted it black. They thought the wild plum was too bright. Now, it does need a paint. You can tell that obviously, but the car's not rotten with rust. It's quite a good solid car. The paintwork's faded and crazed, but the body's nice and straight. The doors are good, the floors are great. Underneath the car looks nice and dry. So it doesn't need panels replacing and rust fixed and all that sort of stuff. The interior trim, the driver's seat needs repairing, but the door trims and all that sort of stuff, I think you can get away with them, just give them a good clean. It was optioned with power windows at the time. It's got aftermarket air conditioning or dealer fitted air, under dash air. And it's a good car. Matching numbers XA GT hardtop in wild plum was the factory colour. Like, that is a great colour combination, wild plum with white trim and being a 4-speed. It's only had a couple of owners for its whole life. And it is a great car. Like you're seeing it at its worst at the moment, but when you walk around the car and have a real good look at it, it's a good, solid car. It's running the Ford Performance wheels, the 5-spoke Hustler style wheels, with the spares in the boot. And look, it's a great car. I'd love to see someone buy this car and put it back to its former glory. Repaint it, strip it all back, put it back to wild plum, clean the wheels up, get it running again, and you've got a great car and a very, very rare car. I don't think there's too many manual XA hardtops built in wild plum with white trim, and especially with air, power windows and all the options this car's got. So it comes up this month at Grays Online. If you want some more information, by all means give us a call on 13 Classic or shoot us an email to classic@grays. But a good solid car. We saw what price the chicken coop made a couple of months ago, 300k plus, and this is in a lot better condition than the chicken coop. So you don't have to do anywhere near the work you've got to do on that car to this car. So anyway, give us a call on 13 Classic or go to graysonline.com.au or go to our Facebook Grays Classic Car and Bike page. You'll see this car featured on it.